In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in a Canva website. If you're building a scrolling site in Canva, sections are the building blocks that keep your content organized and easy to navigate. Think of them as distinct slices of your page: a hero banner at the top, an intro, a services or portfolio showcase, and a contact block. Stacking these sections lets you create a smooth, long-scrolling experience instead of juggling multiple separate pages. Start by heading to Canva and opening your website project. Once your design loads, you'll see your page laid out vertically. This is where each section lives, one after another. Take a second to consider the flow you want. What should visitors see first? What's the main message of the next portion? And where should your calls to action appear? A little planning helps your sections feel intentional and connected. Now scroll to the exact spot where you want your new content to live. Placement matters because sections work best when each one has a clear purpose. When you're in the right area, look for the Add Section control. It often appears as a plus Add Section button between existing sections or at the very bottom of the page. On some templates, you might notice a small plus icon on the side of a section when you hover near its edge. That's the same control in a slightly different spot, depending on the design you're using. Click it to insert a new blank section into your layout. Right away, you'll see a fresh row appear. This is your new scrollable section. Start building it out with the elements that match your goal. Add a clear heading to orient your visitors, then place supporting text for context. Drop in images or graphics to visualize what you're describing. If you want people to take action, include a button with straightforward wording. For collecting inquiries, a simple form helps capture the essentials. Keep your structure consistent with the rest of your site so it feels cohesive. As you add content, aim for clean spacing and a strong visual hierarchy. Let your heading lead, your text explain, and your visuals reinforce the message. Consider using contrast, like a subtle background color, to separate this section from the one above it. Keep paragraphs concise and scannable, and make sure your elements align neatly so the section looks polished and professional. That's the core process. Open your website design, scroll to the right spot, click Add Section, and build the content inside it. Repeat this as needed to craft a clear, compelling story from top to bottom of your Canva website.